guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. And guys, happy 4th of July. In today's video, we are going to be talking about by far the easiest trendline day trading strategy you guys can use to start making money. Whether you're a beginner that is just getting started in trading, or maybe you're already a full-time veteran trader and you're just wanting to learn more strategies, everybody's going to benefit from today's video. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you do, smash that like button, subscribe. But if you guys want to elevate your trading game, check out our school. It's called this Swing Trading Masterclass. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat. But more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. It's honest strategies that I've learned over the past 7 years of trading. So check it out down below. And limited time offer, you guys can use code FREEDOM for 50% off. A 4th of July sale. 5 spots left for that code. So if you want to elevate your trading game, check it out down below. And let's have a quick word from the best broker. I know a lot of you are just getting started with investing, and one app that I've been using is called Moomoo. It's super beginner friendly, but still gives you pro level tools like live market data, easy to read charts, and news all in one place. And the best part, new users can get up to 60 free stocks when you open up an account with qualifying deposit. And honestly, that's actually why I tried it. And I've been using it ever since. Check out the link down below if you guys are curious. Yes, the broker I use is Moomoo. So if you guys are just getting started, I would highly recommend checking out our school and then checking out Moomoo, because Moomoo is completely free to sign up with. All right, now that we have that settled, let's dive into this. Now, when it comes with day trading, there's a variety. There's millions of different strategies and setups that you guys can use to start making money. But by far, the easiest way is to master trend lines. Trend lines are support resistance lines that traders, hedge funds, analysts use to get a general gauge of where to buy a stock and sell the stock. So let's look at a trade here that we took on Tesla. So looking at this chart here, the first thing we got to look at is going to be the time frame. So you guys can see it says 1 minute. What that means is each candlestick in here represents 1 minute of trading activity. So each candlestick has pretty much 4 pieces of information. It has the high, the low, the open, and the close. So that information can kind of help you get a gauge of where the stock can go. But more importantly, what you want to look for is trends. So you guys can see here where we have this light gray area. This represents pre-market and after hours trading. So what I always want to do is look at the high of that. So you guys can see the high is 320. The next thing you want to do is look for, you want to go down to the right and up. Okay, so we do have a little trend line here, right, as you guys can see. But for me to classify it as a resistance trend line, we want a minimum of 3 touches of selling pressure. So you guys can see it comes up here, and we have one, right? We have another one here. So we got, let's go ahead. I'll just put this right here and let's look at what we got. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and almost about 6 touches of selling pressure. Okay, so each and every time it hits this, we have selling pressure, hits it, selling pressure, hits it, selling pressure. So now, where would you want to go short on this stock? Well, ideally, you'd want to go on that trend line. So another thing you guys can do is go to a higher time frame. So we went ahead and we were looking at the 5-minute chart to get a general gauge. Is that really a very hard resistance? So you guys can see it hits it once, twice, 3 times, and then 4 times. So now here, the last trading day, Thursday, we took an absolute beautiful trade here near and around this 318 mark. Now, my thought process, honestly, was this. We'll go ahead and show you guys. So if we enter, let's go ahead and get our short position tool. We enter there, okay, keeping our stop loss above about 319, right up in here, okay, for a possible push down to the low of that pre-market would have been near, or even the low of day really would have been near and around 312. right in this range, gave a risk versus reward of about 3.6. What that means is you're risking $1 essentially to make $3.67, which is a really good risk and reward. Now, another thing you guys can look at is an indicator by the name of the MACD. This is what a lot of traders use to get opportunity for entries and exits. So you guys can see where we have this orange signal line break down through that blue line historically represents a good short opportunity or to go to exit the trade if you're long on the trade. So you guys can see great entry right here, which gave us more indication, more confirmation that we could get more selling pressure as the stock continued to sell off here. Let's go ahead and remove that. Let's make this a little bigger so we can see it a little better here. Now, as the stock continued to sell off, what did we notice? Okay, we had that nice little trend like that. Okay, so now as that's selling off here on that push up above that trend right before the market closed was where we exited the trade, keeping our stop loss, so the max amount of money we're willing to lose or make on this trade, right above this trend line. So as the stock continues to sell off, our stop loss is moving down, pops up. We exited the trade because the trend is reversed. Now, we also look at an indicator by the name of the RSI. The RSI is a momentum indicator, and you guys can see at the time it was trading for 65. Okay, historically, anything over a 60 is kind of an overvalued point for the stock. Okay, so the last time it was trading for a 65 was back in here. And what happened? We saw good selling pressure. And that's exactly what we wanted to see. So a trend line, essentially, you need a lot more information than just trends, right? You need different time frames. You need RSIs. You need the MACD. Also, what you can do is actually look at some moving average lines to help you establish some support and resistance. All that stuff will help you become a more successful, confident, and profitable trader. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something. We'll see you guys. Like, follow, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.